Hey, what's up you guys? It's Madeline. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a quick little vlog type thing I did on my trip to Iceland last month, January 2019. And before we get into the video, I did not get as much footage as I wanted to because I really underestimated the Icelandic winter, and it's really fucking cold in Iceland, especially in January. So I didn't get that much footage, but we're just gonna go with it and see how it looks. I don't know, I'm just here. I don't know how to do this, but I made a video and I'm gonna play it. If you like my content, or I don't know, you can feel free to like and subscribe if you want to see more videos, whatever works. But anyways, I'm gonna shut up and play the video. So peace out, Girl Scouts. I don't know. Okay, bye.